Good night. Final presentation. Project Head UNAR students Eduardo Rojas and Charles Castañeda. Learning objective. At the end of this digital educational resource, learners will be able to understand the training methodology and academic outcome of a research project that integrates Internet of Things, IoT technologies and project management principles to improve industrial waste treatment in PET recycling plants. Recognizing its contribution to environmental sustainable and scientific dissemination. Project Summary. The RESEED project proposed an IoT-based intelligent real-time monitoring model to improve industrial waste treatment in PET recycling plants by integration, project management principles, environmental sustainability, and digital technologies. The project seeks to optimize decision-making, reduce operational risks, and enhance environmental performance. The RESEED also resulted in the development of scientific article, a working paper, and conference presentation to support our knowledge dissemination. Project overview and RESEED objectives, work-based structure, and project achievement. RESEED methodology, IoT-based monitoring model, academic products, scientific article, working paper, and conference presentation, contribution to environmental sustainable and project management. Work breakdown structure. This is organized the project into phase and deliverables, defined tasks and team responsibilities, support project planning and schedule monitor, guided the development of the scientific article, working paper, and conference presentation, improving project management and RESEED performance. Project phases planned. The project was organized into a structured sequence of phases to ensure effective planning, execution, monitoring, and dissemination of the RESEED outcomes. Each phases included specific activities, deliverables, and responsibilities that contributed to the successful completion of the project. The project began with the planning and definition of objectives, followed by the literature review and RESEED methodology. Next, the academic products, including the scientific article, working paper, and conference presentation, were developed. Finally, the project concluded with the editorial submission, registration in the RESEED group, and dissemination of the results.
During this stage, we use Project Libre to plan and organize all the research activities. The project schedule helps us define the tasks, milestones, deadlines, and responsibilities for each team member. By integrating the work breakdown structures, WBAs, with the schedule, we are able to monitor our progress, management deadlines, and successfully complete all the academics deliverables, including the scientific article, the working paper, and the conference presentation. As a part of the research dissemination process, we prepared our project for registration in the UNAD research group. We organized all the requiring documentation and academic products, including the scientific article, the working paper, and the conference presentation. This process created opportunities for future collaboration, scientific networking, and participation in institutional research activities. One of the main outcomes of of our project was the completion of the scientific articles entitled An Intelligence Real-Time Monitoring Model able to industrial wastewater treatment and strategic risk management tool in PET recycling plants. The manuscript was prepared following the editorial guidelines of the Select Journal, including APA 7th edition, reference, editorial format, and similarity check. Currently, the article is complete and ready for submission to an index journal where it will begin the pre-review process. Another important outcome of your research was the preparation of an academic conference presentation. Its purpose is to share our research findings with students, research and professionals interested in project management, environment, sustainability, and digital transformation. The presentation summarizes the research problem, the methodology, the proposed IoT based monitoring model, and the expected impact in improving industrial wastewater treatment in PET recycling plants. It was designed for future presentation and institutional events such as Spotage and other scientific conferences. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how project management principles and IoT technologies can be integrated to development, innovation, and sustainable solution for industrial wastewater treatment through proper planning, teamwork, and continuous improvement with successful achieved our research objectives and produced valuable academic outcomes, including scientific articles, a working paper, and conference presentation. We hope this research contributes to future students and encourages the development of sustainable and technology-driven solutions in both academic and professional environments. Thank you very much for your attention.